So guys, it's just arrived. This is a laser level. It has cost me £22 off Amazon. Not expecting a lot. It is a cheap laser level. This is my first laser level that I've bought in my life. Never had one before, never owned one before. Now I realise there are a lot of makes out there that are really expensive, and you know, if you want a really good quality one, then spend some money. I don't know what to expect in the box because I've not opened it yet. It just popped up on my Amazon. I thought I could do with a laser level. It'll come in really handy for what I'm doing. 22 quid, like I said, cheap. Not expecting a lot, but we'll see what happens when I get inside the box. But yeah, 22 quid. I mean, end of the day, if it lasts 12 months, you know, you've had your money's worth out of it, haven't you? And at the end of the day, it does come with free batteries. I mean, at the end of the day, that's like a massive difference from having to buy batteries, isn't it? So 22 quid, Amazon. So I will drop a link down below. If the link is still active, it will appear in the Amazon thing, but you could just simply search laser levels in Amazon and you will probably find something along these lines. But yeah, 22 quid, can't go wrong at that, can you? Here we go with the unboxing. So here it's arrived from Amazon, and as you can see, I've already opened it. And there you go, there's the laser level. Laser level RockSeed Shockproof, batteries included. Model LV1. Laser wavelength, oh that's 635 nm red, emit power 1 MW, function 1 vertical 1 horizontal, laser class 2, laser accuracy plus 2.55 mm, working range 5 meter indoor, made in China. So straight into it, bit of a carrying case going on. Those look like the instructions, how easy to read English, Dutch. Random, there you go, comprehensive instructions. There you go, it should be self-explanatory, I hope. Yeah, not too bad. There's the batteries inside a nice carrying case. That belt clip on the back, couple of batteries to get you started. First impressions, it feels quite sturdy. These are all rubber at the edges, the side. So you got your switch there. Looks like where the batteries go, is it? Yes. Batteries go inside there. Got a little camera bracket for a bracket there for a camera. So you better attach it to a tripod. So this is the RockSeed laser level. So we'll put the batteries in it now. And plus, which is that way, and this that way. Ah, there we go. You've got it's a self-leveling level apparently, so it should find its own level once you plug it in. Okay, what you do is turn it on there, and if you place it somewhere like on a flat surface, You see the light goes green. Now if I just tilt the camera, you can see what the laser is pointing at. So that is now leveled itself, so the horizontal line should be level and the vertical line should be level. So that should be like spot on. If I tap on this box that I put it on, you can see that the level bouncing around a little bit. So it needs to be on something sturdy. So if you want to lock it, if you look, the light's gone red to tell you that it's gone off balance or it's not level anymore. And if you look, the laser now starts flashing. And if I steady it up again, it's now green again. But if you want to lock the level, you press the button for 3 seconds and then pull that to the back, the switch to the back now. So it's not gone off now, but if you look, I'm twisting and turning. So that's the laser locked off now, so it's not self-leveling. Now that obviously if you was doing an angle like that, say up a staircase or something like that, that's what you'd be using that for. So yeah, fairly simple to use. And you put the switch to the forward again to unlock it, place it down, and it will find its own level again. So there you go. So this flick it to the back, we'll switching it off again. There we go, that is the unboxing and demonstration of the laser level. 22 quid. I am pleasantly surprised about the feel of this actually. It is quite robust. This is solid plastic. I mean, normally you'd get some sort of cheapness to it with something that you'd bought off say AliExpress or somewhere like that, or even eBay, and you just get this thing. I think, hang on, this just looks like a toy really. It doesn't look like a tradesperson's tool. But yeah, 22 quid. I mean, it's a very basic level. Like I said, there are makes out there that will probably have a lot more features to them, but this is the simplest, cheapest laser level I've come across, and yeah, I am quite impressed with it, if I'm honest. We'll see how long it lasts. I've not been on any jobs with it, so I've literally just got it. It is around 7:15 p.m. We're obviously getting ready for Christmas as well, and I've just had it delivered by Amazon. So I've just literally opened it, done the video, and this is the first time I've been using it. So yeah, like I said, 22 quid. We'll drop a link down below. However, you could just do a search yourself in Amazon and probably something else will come up. It does have, I don't really know, it's asked for a tripod. So you could literally just use a camera tripod for that. That is the same diameter of thread that you would find in a camera. I'm using a tripod now. So actually what we'll do is we'll take the camera off right now and just show you on a tripod stand and see what happens. So guys, just bear with me. This is my camera tripod. As you can see, it's had some use in decorating and that. I've owned this tripod for years, and it has to be said, I must have had it about 20 years, this tripod, but I've just screwed that on to the camera bracket. If it just unclips at the side here, does the bracket, it usually just unclips. I'm using one hand, as you can see. and that should just come out like that. So there you see the camera bracket for the tripod, which clips into my tripod there, and I've just attached the laser level to it. And I have to say, like I said, I am quite impressed with it, to be honest. So far, I can't get it back in. Just let me pause the camera for a second while I clip it back in. I need both my hands for this. There we go. It should be in now. There we go. Just hold that in. As you can see, I've got quite a lot of movement on it. Here, we're still doing the review, aren't we, really, when you think about it. Like I say, you just clip it on there, and there you can see the laser. I mean, this is a red one, you can get them in green. Yeah. You just point it over there at the door. Let's see if the door's level. So the door frame's slightly out. Mind you, the door isn't shut right anyway, so yeah. But there you get the idea. That's now on the tripod. The light is green, which tells me it's leveled up. If you bang it around, obviously the line starts wobbling like that, and it does move slightly until it settles down, and once it's settled, that should be self-leveling. So there you go. So there we go, guys. That is a RockSeed laser level, 22 quid. I mean, you can't go wrong at 22 quid, can you? Like I said, I'll drop the link down in the description at the bottom, and obviously you can have a look yourself on Amazon if you want. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of it. 22 quid for a laser level, can't go wrong, can you? So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.